Welcome to the video, where today we'll dive into a common programming problem. The problem revolves around the need for competent resource management in Python. This is a crucial issue that many developers encounter, especially when dealing with large projects or those that require frequent updates to data paths. So let's explore how to tackle this problem effectively. Let's start by delving into the solution provided for this resource management problem. The code snippet showcases different approaches, such as using constants, setters, configuration files, and a resource management class. In the initial part of the solution, we see the implementation of loading configuration data from a YAML file and using it to set the image path in a GUI class. This method provides flexibility in customizing paths at runtime, making it a versatile solution for various project requirements. Continuing with the solution, we come across the ResourceManager class, which encapsulates data logic and promotes code reusability. By passing the configuration to the class constructor, it enables easy retrieval of resources based on the provided image name. This approach enhances code organization and modularity, offering a more structured way to manage resources within the project. It's a valuable addition to the resource management toolkit, especially for projects with complex data requirements. In conclusion, when dealing with resource management in Python, it's essential to choose an approach that aligns with the project size, complexity, and flexibility. Starting with simpler methods like constants or configuration files, in transitioning to more advanced solutions as needed can streamline development and maintenance processes. Remember, structuring your code effectively to manage and update resource paths easily is key to long-term project success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Keep coding and stay awesome!